Okay, so in this video we will see how we can set up Ngrok for Windows. Yeah, this is available for Windows, Linux and Mac also. So first thing we have to download for Windows like this, and I have already downloaded and set up it, so I can uh, cancel it. Yeah. So after the download, you just have to install it. Simple installation, nothing rocket science or else. Let me show you. And second thing, like after that you can deploy that with the help of that. And see, wait, is it done? Yeah, it is done. So you just have to run that application once. Okay, so I have already installed it, so that is why. And that when you want to enable ngrok, when you write like this, you will get it's working. And after that ngrok http 80, if you will give that. Or we can do one thing. I have a one server, like one backend, something like that. So that's I have, and I will be showing you that after the run that node server.js. Because local server is only run in our own system, but the ngrok servers will be uh, accessed through the remote devices and anywhere else. We can use that for development testing purpose, production testing purpose, for gateway integration, checking the webhooks call, that webhook call is working or not. That is fine. And I have already here. Just also after the write ngrok, you will get to the example. This is the example how you can run that things. And if you want to start on port 80, so that's how you can start. And my own server is running on port 80. Okay, for now, if I write localhost not 30, localhost 800, sorry, yeah, locus, you can see success through, it means it is working. Okay, and now I want that localhost should be hosted on ngrok http 80, like this. Okay, so yeah, it is running, and I can access this through that link. Sorry, forwarding, yeah. Wait. Yeah, so that's how it is working. Filter tab. And if we want call any particular post API, so that's shit, we can do that. Actually, I have inside the server, I have some API. Yeah. So this API is work only on localhost, and now I am doing that with the server. Okay, yeah, so that's it, I am calling it. And yeah, you can see the consoling is printing something, it means it is working. So yeah, it is hosted to the remote thing. And you can see even like that, this is, you are getting it. Okay, and this is happening like that. you can see the request which will be you getting through that. So that's it. There we have our Ngrok complete guide how you can host your servers and why it is important. Okay, thank you.